Hi everyone! In this video we are excited to dive into how you can leverage the Google Workflow service, which is available for free, to create a document approval system. We will show you how to make a simple workflow step by step. First, someone makes a new document and starts the approval process. Then a manager checks and approves the document. After that, it goes to another person for one more check and approval. In the end, we finish by closing the document. While this workflow is basic, it serves as a practical starting point for incorporating Google Workflow into your projects. First, we will start by setting up a new project on the Supabase platform. Next, we will move to the SQL editor area to set up the tables that we need. One important table we are making is called Tracker. This table will help us keep track of every step taken with a document. It has a crucial column name, execution ID, which we will use to connect with Google Workflow. For the next step, we will create a simple table named document. In this early version of our application, all we need in this table is one column ID. Next, we will set up both Supabase and Flutter projects on the local machine. Following that, we will authenticate with Google Cloud by using Google's command line interface. Next, we will set up a service account to interact with Google Cloud. We will assign it the roles Workflow Admin, Workflows Invoker, Log Writer, and Secret Manager, Secret Accessor. After that, we will add the service account key to our project. Now we will proceed to develop auxiliary processes and deploy them on the Google Cloud platform. The first sub-process we will create is called Init Supabase, where we will initialize all the essential keys. Next, we will develop a sub-process for closing documents. Within this process, we will make a call to the Supabase H function. Now we will move on to creating the role approval sub-process. In this part, we will include a call to the Init Supabase sub-process that we created earlier. After that, we will set up a callback. This callback is designed to wait for manager's confirmation for up to 12 hours. Similarly, we will create a sub-process for when a manager cancels a document. In this step, we will make a call to the H function named Workflow Reject Process. Next, we will construct the main process. This involves calling our previously created sub-processes with specific parameters. Additionally, we will make extensive use of conditional transitions through the use of switch statements to guide the flow of the process. We will then add all our secret keys to ensure access to Supabase from Google Workflow. After securing our keys, we will proceed to deploy all our processes. Moving forward, we will dive into setting up H functions. To start, we need to create two helper classes, Supabase and Service. They are essential for initializing the Supabase client, setting up cores, defining the model for tracker table, and handling queries. Next, we will create an import map JSON file. This is for easier package management in our project. Let's create our first H function named createDocument. Following that, we will develop a function specifically for the callback process. The critical aspect of this function is to save a link to Google Workflow. We will use this link to call back with specific parameters, either confirmed or rejected, when a document gets approved. The third function is closing the document. The fourth function we will create is designed to be triggered from the client application. Its primary purpose is to locate a callback link in our tracker table and then execute that link. Let's create a third function to cancel a document. For the sixth function, we will focus on initiating the Google Workflow process itself. This function will be responsible for starting the workflow and saving a unique execution ID key, which is essential for interacting with this process moving forward. We deploy all functions in the cloud. We have discovered a bug in the tracker model. It's crucial to revise the parameters in its constructor. We will create an environment.file within our Flutter project to store environment variables such as API keys. We will move on to specifying the dependencies in the pub/spec YAML file. In the main Dart file, we will craft the core code of our Flutter application. Here we will include functionality to subscribe to events, which allows our application to continuously receive and react to any changes happening in the tracker table. To enhance our Flutter application, let's incorporate three key methods: creating a document, approving a document, and starting the process. We forgot to specify the environment.file in the assets section, plus we need to correct the name of each function. We start our application and test it by confirming the document with one account to keep it simple. Looking at the data in the tracker table, we can see that everything is working as it should. Thank you for watching, subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Please leave a comment if you're using Google Workflow in your project and share what are you using it for. See you next time. Bye.